So I'm out here checking my oil because it's a nice day, and I'm wiping off the dirt of the winter, and I see all this crud on one side of this so I can show you now. So over here it's nice and clean, pretty, well, not pretty but clean. But over on this side I noticed there was all kind of like dust. I blew a lot of it off, and so I knew something was wrong. So I took this off, and here this bushing is all freaking destroyed. And if you see how this, it should be centered in the hole, but I don't know if you can see exactly. It should be centered in the hole, but it's leaning way to the inside because this bushing is torn up. And when you hit a bump, you hear it go clunk real bad, like there's something on the undercarriage that's messed up. But that's definitely something that would make it clunk. And your girl got this. I just gotta go to the store and get one of these that ain't that so bad. So that's my mission. That's what you do when you're maintaining a vehicle, is keep your eyes open for garbage like that. And Jeff is washing his Jeep because it's nice and he wants it to stay nice. And I would wash mine, although the paint is ruined on the hood, but now I got into fixing it. Oh well, that's life.